autumn peak fall colors on the North Shore of Minnesota. So I'm gonna go check out the Superior Hiking Trail and Carlton Peak. Carlton Peak gives you a huge view of Lake Superior and all the maples. So let's go check it out. Carlton Peak is part of the Superior Hiking Trail. The Superior Hiking Trail goes all the way up to the Canadian border, and so you can hike little sections of the entire trail. So we're just going to be doing a little section with a great view. We've only been hiking for about 15 minutes and we're kind of down in some really pretty maples, and a lot of the hiking has been across some wooden boardwalks. It's for trail maintenance, and also parts of it can get really muddy. So it's actually been a pretty easy hike so far. I thought there'd be a little bit more elevation, but so far it's just pretty flat with a very gradual uphill. It is beautiful. The maples are turning orange, and all the popples and birches are turning yellow. If you come to the North Shore of Minnesota the last weekend in September or the first weekend in October, you can time the fall colors perfectly. We are finally starting to get some elevation. Now, elevation is taken lightly in Minnesota because we don't have any giant mountains, just a couple of hills, as you might call them. But it's definitely starting to be a little bit uphill on this hike, which is good because that means we're going to be getting to the lookout soon. Sweaty, but I made it. All right, here we are. We got the beautiful Lake Superior behind me. Looks like an ocean because it's so huge you can't even see the land on the other end, and we have the beautiful forest below just starting to change color. This is on the lake side. We're going to check the other side of the overlook. That will be the inland side, so it should be a huge difference. It is incredible up here. So we have 360-degree views. And if you walk to the other side of the rock, we have the view of the inland maple forest with all the pine trees, the poplars, the maples, and it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to show you the edge of the rock here where we get the most incredible view. Been hiking up the hill, I was like down to my tank top, and now that I've been sitting up on the top of the hill here, it's pretty windy and the wind's coming off the lake, and I'm pretty cold now, so I'm gonna start heading back down. But this view is incredible. This hike gets 2 thumbs up, but my other thumb is holding my camera. What a great hike. I mean, I'm not done yet, but the view from up at the top there was incredible, and it only took me a half hour to get up. I'm assuming it's probably going to take me 20 minutes to a half hour to get down. So it's a really short and easy hike through some beautiful woods with some amazing views, and it's definitely worth an hour of your time. If you could, I would bring a little picnic lunch with me and eat the food up at the top so you can enjoy the view. So I think the last weekend in September, first weekend in October would be the perfect time to do that hike. So I timed it pretty good. So this hike only took me less than an hour in total, about 30 minutes up, 20 minutes down. Granted, I was cooking on the way down because it's getting dark and I was getting a little bit nervous about bears in the forest and other wildlife that comes out at dusk, and I want to get back to the parking lot. So I would say a typical person, if you were just doing this at a regular speed, probably take you about 40 minutes to get up, 30 minutes to get down. It took me 30 minutes to get up, 20 minutes to get down, and I spent a whole hour at the top taking pictures and hanging out. So Carlton Peak, amazing spot to hike if you're looking for fall colors, views on the north shore of Lake Superior, or just a beautiful view with an awesome hike.